Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Start by gathering your ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of rice and about 6 to 8 cups of water, depending on your desired consistency. Optional additions like ginger or chicken can enhance the flavor. Remember to rinse your rice thoroughly under cold running water until the water runs clear. This step removes excess starch, which helps prevent stickiness and ensures a better texture for your porridge. Now, combine your rinsed rice and the measured water in a large pot. Place the pot over medium-high heat and bring the mixture to a rolling boil. It's important to stir occasionally during this initial phase to prevent the rice from sticking to the bottom of the pot. This ensures even cooking and helps to create that creamy texture we're aiming for in our delicious rice porridge. Once boiling, reduce the heat to low, cover the pot, and let it simmer gently for about 45 to 60 minutes. Stir periodically, perhaps every 10 to 15 minutes, to prevent sticking and ensure even cooking. During this time, the rice grains will absorb the water and break down, transforming into a wonderfully thick and creamy porridge. Patience is key for this step. After simmering, your rice porridge should be thick and creamy. Now is the time to season it with salt to your liking. You can also add optional toppings such as chopped green onions, a dash of white pepper, or a drizzle of sesame oil for extra flavor. Serve your warm, comforting rice porridge immediately. It's a versatile dish, perfect for any time of day.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.